The pirates, still reeling from Garp's attack, scream, "It's gonna crush us!" as a battleship plummets from above. Prince Grus cushions the ship's fall with his devil fruit powers. In front of the crash-landed ship, Garp threatens to hurt the already unconscious pirates if they dare to move. Surveying the scene, he sighs, feeling he has lost his touch. The incredulous pirates can't believe his comments after witnessing so much damage. Kobe runs up to the Vice Admiral, and Garp is pleased to see him looking not too shabby. Helmeppo happily sobs at the sight of Kobe. Kujaku laughs, saying Garp-san is a naughty boy. Meanwhile, Prince Grus grumbles about the Vice Admiral's praise of Kobe as the future of the Marines. He vows to stop him from getting ahead. Kujaku replies that she thinks their friendship is wholesome and cute. In the distance, someone cries, "Captain Kobe! Kobe-kun!" Kobe is surprised to see Tashigi-san, a non-sword member. Interrupting their false sense of security, Hibari warns about the shackle on Kobe's ankle. Suddenly, she is frozen solid. Kobe and Kujaku scream Hibari's name as Garp glares furiously ahead. A figure stands across from him. Garp mutters, "Kuzan?" A confused Kobe stutters in disbelief and asks Kuzan to unfreeze Hibari. As the Blackbeard pirates cheer, it is evident that Kuzan is actually their 10th Titanic captain. Kuzan sneers, "It'd be a bad look if Kobe escapes while Teach is away." We learn that 2 years ago, Kuzan, known as Aokiji, battled Akainu for the position of Fleet Admiral on Punk Hazard. A year later, after a fateful incident on a certain island in the New World, we see Blackbeard yelling outside of a bar after his entire crew has been frozen. Inside, Aokiji is drinking and staring stone-faced ahead. Blackbeard declares, "There's only one person on this stinking planet capable of this." Teach demands that Aokiji unfreezes his men, among them the Sanjuan wolf, now an enormous icicle looming over the building. Aokiji warns Blackbeard not to use his quaking power lest he shatter his crew. Aokiji explains he's in a foul mood after losing to Akainu and unfreezes the crew. Blackbeard cackles, "You're one crazy son of a bitch, Ice Pop!" Aokiji laughs too, and shortly after, the crew joins him in the bar where he recounts the details of the battle while making jokes at Akainu's expense. He shatters his ice leg, showing them he lost it in battle, and constantly regenerates it using his fruit powers. Avalo Pizarro asks, "What about Akainu? Did you tear off an arm?" Aokiji replies that he left scars. Speaking of injuries, Katarina Devon smirks, asking if Aokiji has info on the man marked by flames. A puzzled Aokiji echoes her question. Jesus Burgess explains there are 4 valuable Red Poneglyphs, with one each in the possession of Kaido and Big Mom. Blackbeard adds that the locations of the other 2 are unknown. We heard a rumor that the man marked by flames has one. Aokiji reveals his scar and jokes, "I do?" Vasco Shot snorts, saying it can't be him as he got his scars recently. Lafitte expounds that the man can be found on a pitch-black ship. He wonders if he has fruit powers, as all who sail near are swallowed by giant whirlpools. Shiryu suggests he might be with the government, saying, "It'd be a surefire way to prevent any pirate from claiming the One Piece." Aokiji says the poneglyphs hold nothing but bitter memories. He didn't remember seeing them at Ohara. He adds that he only remembers Jaguar D. Saul taking a stand against the government and the traumatized eyes of Nico Robin. Lafitte, unimpressed by the sob story, suggests killing Aokiji and taking his power. Aokiji screams, "I can hear you, asshole! I'll send you all back to the Ice Age!" Blackbeard tries to calm Aokiji, saying his friend is being an idiot and he has no intention to do that. In fact, he asks Aokiji to join his crew. At first, Aokiji scoffs at the idea, saying, "You can't think a couple of drinks is enough to win me over?" Blackbeard replies that they're misunderstood. He explains that pirates profit from everyone's personal agenda, reminding Aokiji he no longer works for the world government and is free to do as he pleases. In the present day, Garp demands that Kuzan unfreeze Hibari. He barks, "Let us take Kobe and get your ass back in uniform." Kuzan tells Garp he always admired his directness and won't follow his orders. He declares, "I've decided to live life on my own terms," and unleashes his ice ball attack. Kuzan asks Garp if he can kill his #1 protege to save his new favorite. Garp breaks free from the ice block, yelling, "I thought I taught you to live in the now!" He grabs Kuzan's face, saying only weaklings lose their way, and slams him through the ground with his blue hole attack. Simultaneously, on Winter Island, Blackbeard defeats Trafalgar Law and destroys the Polar Tang ship. He mocks, "You can't even call yourselves pirates anymore." Bepo and Law lie injured on the ground. He tells Law, The owners of the 100 hearts you stole at Rocky Port are still living on Pirate Island. I bet they'll be thrilled if I bring them your heart. At this moment, Beppo remembers and takes the pills Chopper gave him. Teach taunts Law with the op fruit, debating to sell or use it, and asking if he can make him immortal. Beppo suddenly attacks them in Sulong form, roaring, "Keep your paws off the captain!" He grabs Law and jumps into the ocean, but Law wants to go back for the crew. Beppo says he cannot but has faith. "We've always survived. None of us will let it end here." Beppo begs his captain not to die. Finally, the narration declares the Heart Pirates were soundly defeated on Winter Island.